Welcome back to economics learning. Today we discuss right the ownership in Islam. In Islam, ownership rights are defined by the principles of Sharia Islamic law, which are derived from the Quran, the Hadith, saying, and actions of Prophet Muhammad, and the consensus of Islamic scholars. First one is ownership as a trust amana. The concept of ownership in Islam is rooted in the belief that everything belongs to Allah and humans are merely trustees of custodian Khalifa of the wealth and resources they possess. This means that while people have the right to own and use property, they are ultimately accountable to Allah for how they manage it. Second one is individual ownership. Islam recognizes the right of individual to own property including land, wealth and provided it is the acquired through lawful means halal. This ownership extends to personal belonging, businesses and real estate. Third one is responsibility and stewardship. Owners are responsible for how they acquire, manage and utilize their possession. They are encouraged to use their wealth in way that benefit themselves, their families and society while adhering to Islamic principles of justice, charity and compassion. Fourth one is limits and regulation. While Islam upholds private ownership, it also imposes limits and regulation to prevent injustice and exploitation. For example, usury, riba, exploitation, fraud, and deception in business transactions are strictly prohibited. Wealth distribution is encouraged through practice such as zakat, obligatory charity, sadaqah, voluntary charity, and inheritance law, which ensure that wealth circulates within society and reaches those in need. Property rights are protected and individuals are entitled to legal recourse if their rights are violated. Next one is property rights and inheritance. Islam provides detailed guidelines regarding inheritance, ensuring that property is distributed fairly among heirs after a person's death. These guidelines are designed to maintain family cohesion, provide for dependents, and prevent the concentration of wealth in the hand of few. Last one is public ownership and commons. While Islam recognized private ownership, it also emphasizes the importance of public ownership and common resources. For example, certain resources such as water, air, and land are considered common goods that should be shared and preserved for the benefits of all. The state has a role in managing and regulating resources to ensure equitable distribution and prevent monopolies. Overall, ownership in Islam is viewed as a sacred trust with individuals expected to use their resources responsibly, ethical for the betterment of the society. It balances the rights of individuals to own property with the collective welfare of the community. Thanks for watching.